Santa Rosa Beach, Florida is a coastal paradise along Scenic Highway 30A where sugar white sand, emerald waters, and outdoor adventures come together. In this video, we are diving into the best things to do in Santa Rosa Beach, from serene state parks to family-friendly fun. At Grayton Beach State Park, soft sand, turquoise waters, and coastal trails set the stage for relaxation and adventure. Next, we'll uncover the quiet beauty of Deer Lake State Park, home to a rare coastal dune lake and pristine beaches, perfect for a peaceful day outdoors. The journey continues at Henderson Beach State Park, where nature trails and dazzling Gulf views highlight Florida's wild side. Then we'll explore Topsail Hill Preserve, a natural gem with towering dunes, rare ecosystems, and miles of hiking and biking trails. For a splash of excitement, Big Kahuna's Water and Adventure Park delivers non-stop fun with thrilling slides and family attractions. And finally, we'll hike the hidden trails of Point Washington State Forest, a tranquil escape into untouched Florida's wilderness. If you are enjoying our videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're first to know when we drop something new. Let's get started. Number 6. Enjoy the view at Grayton Beach State Park. Soft white sand, turquoise waters, and towering dunes, it's all waiting at Grayton Beach State Park, one of Florida's most breathtaking coastal gems. This slice of paradise along Scenic Highway 30A is perfect for those who crave both relaxation and adventure. Stretching for miles, the beach offers wide open space to spread out, soak up in the sun, and take in stunning Gulf views. The calm, clear waters make it ideal for swimming, paddleboarding, and kayaking, while anglers can cast a line for a chance at catching local favorites. Beyond the shoreline, nature lovers will find scenic hiking and biking trails winding through coastal forests, salt marshes, and rare coastal dune lakes. Wildlife spotting is a treat here. Keep an eye out for herons, turtles, and even dolphins offshore. As the day winds down, Grayton Beach becomes the perfect spot to watch a golden sunset paint in the horizon. It's more than a beach, it's a serene escape into Florida's natural beauty. Number 5. Exploring Deer Lake State Park. Scenic trails and Gulf views. Exploring Deer Lake State Park is like stepping into one of Florida's most peaceful coastal escapes. This hidden gem along Scenic Highway 30A offers a perfect mix of nature, beach, and wildlife, making it an ideal destination for outdoor lovers. The park's star attraction is its rare coastal dune lake, a natural feature found in only a few places in the world. The calm waters are surrounded by towering sand dunes and lush greenery, creating a serene backdrop for kayaking, paddleboarding, or simply taking in the view. For hikers, the park offers scenic trails winding through pine flatwoods and coastal scrub, where you may spot deer, wading birds, and colorful wildflowers along the way. The boardwalk leading to the Gulf shoreline opens to pristine, uncrowded beaches with sugar white sand and emerald waters, perfect for a quiet beach walk or picnic. Deer Lake State Park is a tranquil escape where Florida's natural beauty truly shines. A visit here feels like discovering a sacred slice of paradise. Number 4. Exploring Henderson Beach State Park. White sand and Gulf views. Henderson Beach State Park in Destin, Florida is a true coastal paradise where natural beauty takes center stage. Stretching along the Emerald Coast, this park is known for its dazzling white sand beaches and the vibrant turquoise waters of the Gulf of Mexico. With over 6,000 feet of scenic shoreline, it's the perfect destination for beach lovers seeking peace away from the crowds. The park offers more than just sunbathing and swimming. Nature enthusiasts can wander through the winding trails that passes by coastal dunes and native vegetation, offering a glimpse of Florida's wild side. Wildlife sightseeing are common, with seabirds soaring overhead and small creatures darting through the dunes. Families will appreciate the picnic pavilions, playgrounds, and camping facilities that make it easy to spend a full day or even an overnight stay here. Whether you're relaxing by the water, exploring the trails, or capturing sunset views, Henderson Beach State Park delivers a serene coastal escape you won't forget. Number 3. Topsail Hill Preserve Adventure. Hiking, wildlife, and Gulf views. Topsail Hill Preserve State Park is a true natural gem along Florida's Emerald Coast. Spread across over 1,600 acres, it's the perfect blend of untouched wilderness, rare ecosystems, and breathtaking Gulf of Mexico views. The park is named after its towering white sand dunes, which resemble ship sails rising high above the shoreline. Visitors can enjoy more than 15 miles of hiking and biking trails, winding through coastal forests, wetlands, and around the park's rare coastal dune lakes. These lakes are a unique feature found in only a few places in the world, creating an extraordinary habitat for wildlife. Birdwatchers will love spotting herons, osprey, and other coastal species, where lucky hikers might encounter deer, gopher tortoise, or even the elusive bobcat. The pristine 3-mile beach offers powdery white sand and crystal clear water, perfect for a peaceful escape. Whether you're hiking, camping, fishing, or simply soaking in the views, Topsail Hill Preserve delivers a pure Florida outdoor adventure. Number 2. Sliding into fun at Big Kahuna's Water and Adventure Park. Laughter, splashes, and thrills fill the air at Big Kahuna's Water and Adventure Park in Destin, Florida. This family-friendly destination is packed with exciting sliders, relaxing pools, and attractions designed for all ages. From high-speed water slides that twist and turn into the wave pool where you can float or catch a splash, the park guarantees non-stop fun under the Florida sun. Families can drift together on the lazy river, letting the current carry them along the scenic ride, while younger kids enjoy their own splash zones filled with safe interactive play structures. For thrill seekers, towering slides and multi-lane racers bring out the competitive spirit. Beyond the water attractions, the adventure park offers mini-golf and other land-based activities, making it easy to mix up the fun. Whether you're planning a full day of excitement or just a few hours of cool refreshment, Big Kahuna's promises an unforgettable experience filled with energy, sunshine, and plenty of splash-worthy moments. Number 1. Hiking the hidden trails of Point Washington State Forest. Tucked away on Florida's Emerald Coast, Point Washington State Forest is a peaceful escape into nature. Spread across 15,000 acres, this forest is filled with longleaf pine flatwood, wet prairies, and hidden trails just waiting to be explored. Hiking here offers a mix of adventure and serenity, with trails ranging from short, easy walks to longer treks that immerse you deep into the forest's beauty. As you make your way through the winding paths, the sound of birds and rustling leaves surround you. The forest is home to a variety of wildlife, from deer and foxes to countless bird species. Seasonal wildflowers add vibrant pops of color, making the trails especially scenic in spring and summer. Many of the trails also connect to nearby coastal dune lakes, rare ecosystems found in only a few places in the world. Whether you're hiking, biking, or simply enjoying a quiet walk, Point Washington's hidden trail offers a true Florida nature experience.